Hey, it's great to have you here. Let's talk about something that finally feels like it was made for the way you play and work. The A16. If you're the kind of person who notices lag, who gets annoyed when frame rate drops on the exact moment that matters, who refuses to settle for middling performance, before you do anything else, check the current price and stock because solid rigs like this get scooped up fast. You knew it was time to upgrade the moment your old laptop stuttered during intense battles, or when your creative apps felt sluggish mid-workflow. That little frustration that keeps you from total focus, that's where this begins. You've outgrown compromise. The first time you boot up this machine, there's no mistaking it. Instant responsiveness, snappy load times, and that smooth, high refresh feel that makes play and work both feel effortless. It's not just specs, it's the confidence that every click and command will execute without hesitation. Once you feel that level of performance under your hands, anything weaker feels like a step back. Picture your real days with this in your backpack. Long gaming sessions where motion stays crisp at 165 Hz and every detail holds steady. Editing videos without waiting on exports. Jumping between apps during class or work and never hearing your system gasp for air. Even casual streaming feels more vibrant and fluid because this display and hardware combo just keeps up. What really sticks with you isn't the numbers on a page, it's the feeling of smoothness, the way games flow without daring, how scenes look sharp and alive. That's the difference between using gear and experiencing it. Once you've felt that, going back feels like settling. And if you're hesitating because of price swings or stock fluctuations, don't let indecision cost you availability. Components like these don't linger at a good price for long, and watching others lock in a rig this capable while you wait is one of those regrets that nags later. You might wonder if something this powerful makes sense outside gaming. What surprises most people is how much faster everyday tasks feel too, the kind of fluid performance that turns frustration into productivity without even thinking about it. Owning a machine like this does something subtle to your mindset. You feel ready instead of second-guessing. You feel capable instead of holding back. You feel like someone who knows what quality feels like. Plays high-end games with smooth precision, loads everything fast, no waiting around, keeps up with creative apps and multitasking, feels solid and confident every time you use it, turns competitive play into a real advantage. If there's a soft downside, it's this: once you're used to this level of responsiveness, anything less feels frustrating again. And yes, premium hardware comes with a premium presence, but you feel the payoff every session. At some point, you stop looping through comparisons and just go with what you already knew you wanted. So check the price, trust your instincts, and don't let this be the upgrade you look back on wishing you'd pulled the trigger sooner.